How to check for the total storage space being used by trash bin on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, tap on storage. And then in here, if you look on trash, you can see that a total number of 613 megabytes has been used up by all the trash bins. So that is a combine of My Files, Gallery, Samsung Notes, and Messages. 4 of these different apps, they all have their own trash bins. So if I tap on that trash bin over here, you can see it doesn't give me a breakdown, but it shows me a breakdown of the trash bins in the following section below that. And that's it. So if you want to go into My Files, for example, you can see what is in the trash bin. And if they are the files that you no longer need, you can simply empty the trash bin like that. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.